Hi, this is Lockpicking Scout. I'm doing my entry for Butcher's Block. He's doing if you hashtag Butcher's 156 giveaway, even though I think he's closer to 175, I think last time I checked. But, for his giveaway, you need to pick one of your favorite locks. I mean, this is not necessarily my only favorite lock, but I do like it. It's one of the first ones that I was able to pick. It's actually a master lock number 1. And I'm not sure if it came in red or if somebody had painted it red at one point. And it's got pretty even bitting. But I like the fact that it had the lion on the head of the key. That's like I think it used to say Milwaukee. But as a new picker, you'll learn that there's days that you just can't pick anything. You're doing great at picking where you are, and then you start trying something new, and then it kind of holds you up. Like, for example, you're doing wafer locks, and then you move to pin tumbler locks. It kind of holds you up. Or you move to slider locks, it'll hold you up. I mean, at least it does for me. I don't know if it's a stroke thing or what it is, but this is a match lock number 1. So sometimes I just need to get it open to get me started. And I don't believe I've ever had this one on camera. It's an easy lock to pick. I'm going to do that again so that way you know it was locked. I probably need to clean it out a little bit. And there it goes. There you got the snap. So, congratulations, Butcher's Block. You have a great channel. I enjoy watching it. If you're not sure who he is, you need to go check him out. He's got an awesome collection. I could go over there and stuff for days and just pick. So, I love your lock lab. So, thank you so much just for the opportunity for the giveaway. I will include a link to your channel, and I'll try to include a link to the giveaway. Thank you.